What's going on, guys? So as you may know, today is Memorial. Well, the time that I recorded this video, it's Memorial Day. And today, me, my mom, my fiance, my niece, we all went to the Salvation Army. So on Memorial Day, the Salvation Army does 50% off on everything in the store except for clothes, apparently. So I'm gonna show you some things that I bought today. I mean, we got some good stuff. Like, I'm so excited about the stuff that I got that right now I'm recording, and it's like 10:30 at night. That's how excited I was to show you guys what I was able to get. So to start off, I will show you this. This beautiful lamp. They only had one. This lamp was $9.99. Look at this. Oh my God, it's like a bronze. Let's see if you guys can see it. This is so cute. For only, well, it's the original price on this was $9.99, but because it's 50% off, we got it for half off. So I'm not sure. I'm probably gonna use this for staging pieces, or I'm not really sure, but this was a steal, so I had to grab it. So cute, so cute. Next, one second. I was able to get having a hard time coming out the bag. Next, I got these. That's just the noise I make. That's like heaven shining down. These are, I got two. Hold on. I don't know. These are candle holders. I wish you guys could feel how heavy and sturdy these are. These are, I don't know. So they were $8.99 a piece, which are worth it. I mean, because how sturdy they are. This one has like a little dent in it, but that don't matter. I mean, it'll still hold a candle, right? Yes, yes. So like I said, these were $8.99. They were half off, and I can see where the original price were. I can see where the original price is from the original store. They were $19.99 a piece. What? Yes. So I got these. But wait. There's more. One second. Okay. Oh, hold on. Gotta go get the bag. I was able to get this little thing right here. This is cute, right? It's like a little picnic basket. Yeah, that's what that is. It's missing a string here, but you can always add that on. And as a matter of fact, I think I'll probably add new different string on it, but this is cute. This was originally $1.99. This was. So we got this for half off. Half off $1.99. What? Did you say mic drop? Boom. I know. I know. I got my entire life today. There is more. Did you think I was done? We got these. These are just like some basic candle holders. Also, probably will use for staging. These were originally $2.99. And I know y'all get it already. Half off. I know. Yes. Cute. It's always good to have candle holders. They always come in handy, especially if you are a furniture flipper like I am. They stage perfectly. Perfectly. So, got these. And I definitely have more. Wait. One more. 1 second. Oh, these are so big. I don't even know if I'll be able to show you. Oh my God, these are so heavy. Then I got these. Can you see these? Can you see it? Oh my God. There's two. Of course, we won't be keeping that picture. We're gonna add something else into that. But look how big these, oh my God. Look how big these are. These are, and oh my God, it's heavy. Yes, there's two of these. Two of these. Half off. Okay, I know y'all getting tired of me saying that. But this was, let's see. I think it was, these were originally $19.99. And they were, you got it, half off. Yes. And I have one more set of things to show you that I left at my mom's house. So I insert a picture of these two beautiful chairs that I got. The chairs, once you see them, you'll know. They were originally, can't even talk, $19.99 a piece. And I got these also half off. I know. But I don't have them here to show you in person. So I will insert a picture somewhere around here so your mind can be further blown. I'm telling you, today I had such a fun day with shopping at the Salvation Army. Oh, and I did get one other thing, but this is just something that I got for my better half, a coffee maker. I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys this, but this is not a part of like stuff I'll be using. But I got this. Isn't this cute for her? She wanted another coffee machine, and this one was originally, they had it for $6.99 and we got it for half off. So we got a, I don't know what type of coffee machine we have, but she didn't want it no more. So we got that one. So yeah, that's all I have to show you guys. This was the, today was Memorial Day. So this was the Salvation Army half off sale. They do this I think they do it every Memorial Day. And if the next time, and I mean, they had a lot of stuff. I'm gonna insert a video in either probably after this so I can show y'all everything that they had there. They had so much stuff. Everything was half off, of course. And I mean, they had some really nice stuff. They were selling beds, twin beds, full-size beds, queen, king beds, half off. They had dressers, they had nightstands. I mean, they had all kinds of stuff there. And from what I could see, most of it, I mean, most of it was good quality. So you weren't going in there getting stuff for half off that was broken down or something like that. It was worth it. So yeah, I'm excited to be bringing this haul to you from the Salvation Army. I'm hoping that I could do more. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you would, please like, share, comment, and most of all, subscribe. Thank you guys again so much for tuning in.